What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are installing this beautiful glueless unit from Luvme Hair. It came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. It is a 14-inch 5x5 closure wig, so let's get into it. This is the hair we are starting off with. Y'all, it's an old silk press and I'm literally just going to pop it into a ponytail because I just don't have time for all of that today. I basically had given up on installing wigs because I just couldn't get with the glue. It didn't sit well with my hairline, but shout out to Luvme Hair for sending me this glueless unit and we're going to get down into it. Now, I don't know what brand of wig caps this is, but I need to go back and check because wig caps normally do not cover my entire head like this. And I had so much room, I was actually pretty shook. So here is the wig. The curls are beautiful, y'all. So I'm just going to add a little bit of powder onto the wig so it'll blend with my actual hairline because this wig cap is a little light for me, and I'm going to add that same shade into this wig. Y'all, I literally did nothing to this wig but add a little bit of makeup, and so that can just blend seamlessly into my hair. Luvme Hair is known for their HD lace that just blends into your hairline with minimum work. So it does have an elastic band, so it is definitely adjustable for a smaller head, bigger head. If it can fit on my big old head comfortably, y'all have no problems. And this is what the unit is looking like straight out the box. No product. The curls are beautiful. It is a cute little Bobby Anna. Look at how it just melted into my skin. No product, 100% glueless. It does have clips on the side. And I was just shook. I was impressed. I was like, you know what? I can get back into the wigs now. It's giving Edna with my little Bobby Anna. I can get back into the wigs if they're going to be easy as pie like this one, okay? So the only thing we really have to do is add some makeup and cut the lace. I'm using this little razor to just trim the lace at the top. And y'all will see just how seamlessly it is blending in. I really love this unit. Me personally, I'm normally not a big fan of curly balls because I normally like longer hair, but looking back on this video, it looks so bomb on me, and y'all look completely glueless. No glue. We can pop her on, pop her off. This is really good for the gym girlies. I can get right on into my scalp. It is so breathable. So I added a little bit of water and conditioner just to hydrate the hair before we go in with that foam. Y'all will see by the end, I'm not sure if my favorite is completely wet or if it is completely dry. I'm just going to add in a little bit of mousse. It doesn't even matter what brand you use. This was the cheapest one that I saw, so I went for this one and applied it all into the hair. And this wig really doesn't need a whole lot of product because it will weigh it down. I'm just going to detangle it with a brush and my fingers actually. And like this is the entire process. So again, shout out to Luvme Hair. This is a 5x5 closure unit. It is 14 inches long. It did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it is so affordable. And you guys, here is the final product. I literally look so bomb. I think my favorite is when it's like this, a little wet, because it's just so pretty. I keep shaking my head because I'm giving Edna with the Babiana. I did go in with a little bit of mascara, just where I put too much makeup just to darken it a little bit. And this is what it looks like. 80% dry. It is so pretty, guys. This curl pattern is gorgeous. It is giving natural hair so much, and this is what it looks like the next day when it was 100% dry. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. Bye.